In the figure below, a rectangular piece of paper is folded at two of its corners P and R. Find angle PQR, which is PQR, which is this one. So always remind yourself by putting a question mark to what you're looking for. So for parents who are watching this, remind your child to do this. Now, let's try to identify all the angles that we know. If I were to redraw the original piece of paper without folding, right, it may possibly look something like this. Correct? Okay, maybe from your angle it will be a bit difficult. Okay, now if you fold a piece of paper, right, you'll realize that this angle is the same as this angle. They're both 18. Just to prove to you can go and try, go and prove to yourself. If you were to fold a piece of paper, for example like this, right? Now, I'm going to draw a line over here. Okay, this angle will be the same. These two angles are the same. If you were to fold a piece of paper, see, it's exactly the same. So you need to be able to visualize this and understand this portion. Okay, now, so which means that this angle and this angle, they are the same. They are both 18. So it's 18 and 18. Okay. Now, how about for this one? We know that this is definitely 90 degrees because it's the corner of a rectangular piece of paper. So there's no way this one can be anything else. So remember how we find this one? Because angle in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if you take 180 degrees minus 90 minus this one, what are you going to get? You're going to get 46. Okay. Now, if you again do what I did previously, and then you draw the other corner, this angle will be the same as this angle. From what I've just proven to you just now, which means that this one is 46. Okay. Now for this one, you cannot just write 46 as already. You need to do the working. So I'm going to call this A. AQP angle. AQP will be 180 minus 90 minus 44, and therefore this will give me 46. This is how I get my 46. Okay, and this angle is the same as this angle because it's folded. Now that you have 46, you have 46, you have 18, you have 18. Can you find the question mark? Can, right? Easy, right? So if you're just gonna do angle PQR would be 180 minus 18 minus 18 minus 46 minus 46. Okay, and the reasoning would be angle on a straight line. I think I taught you all this one at least 3 times already. Okay, angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees, right? Now, so let's just throw this our calculator. 180 minus 18 minus 18 minus 46 minus 46, and that will give us 52. This is actually how I do it. So remember, this is the first folder type of question that I've taught you all. So always remember that if you all cannot visualize this, go and fold your exam paper. It's okay one. Go and fold your exam paper. You fold one side first, then draw a line, which is why I drew this line. After that, I drew this straight line. Okay, I will fold it back, right, and then I draw another line along the folded area. Along the folded line, I'll draw a line. Then I will convince myself that this x is equal to this. It's the same. Okay, so once you can do this, then you can start doing questions like this. Okay, just fold the paper, you realize that these two angles are the same. Alright, done.